In this video, I will show you how to export Evernote notes. If you want to back up your notes or transfer them to another platform, exporting is the way to go. First, you'll need the desktop version of Evernote. If you don't already have it, open your browser and search for Download Evernote. Click on the official link to download the app for free. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the setup file to install Evernote on your computer. After installation, open the Evernote desktop app and log into your account. In the app, click on the Notes option on the left side of your screen to see all your notes. If you want to export multiple notes, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each note you want to export. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+A to select all notes at once. Once you've selected the notes, click on these three dots on your screen. For example, if you want to export the notes as a PDF, select Export as PDF. Otherwise, click on Export, and you'll see other formats such as HTML or ENX. After selecting the format, click Export, and choose the destination on your device where you want to save the exported file. And Evernote will export the notes to the selected location. This is how you can export Evernote notes.